Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of organic gardening with a product that promises to revolutionize your plant care routine. Introducing Elm Dirt 100% Plant Juice and Worm Castings Organic Fertilizer, touted as the best organic dirt available in the market. Let's explore why this product has garnered such acclaim. Elm Dirt isn't your average plant food, it's a meticulously crafted blend of premium worm castings and organic nutrients. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor plants, this fertilizer is designed to nourish a wide range of plant types, from delicate houseplants to robust garden shrubs. What sets Elm Dirt apart is its rich composition. Packed with over 250 plant probiotics and more than 50 essential micronutrients, it's like a superfood for your plants. This custom-cultivated blend promotes lush foliage, vibrant blooms, and overall plant health. Let's talk benefits. Elm Dirt not only supports vigorous growth but also enhances plant resilience to environmental stressors like drought and soil imbalances. Its rich humus content and beneficial microorganisms create a healthy ecosystem in your garden or indoor space. Users rave about Elm Dirt's ability to promote faster germination, stronger root growth, and improved flowering. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this organic fertilizer is a game-changer. Now, let's discuss application. Using Elm Dirt is straightforward. Simply dilute the fertilizer with water as per the recommended dosage and apply it directly to the soil or as a foliar spray. It integrates seamlessly into your regular watering routine, ensuring your plants receive consistent nutrition. For indoor plants, outdoor gardens, or even raised beds, Elm Dirt adapts effortlessly to various environments, making it a versatile choice for every gardener's toolkit. Beyond its effectiveness, Elm Dirt is committed to sustainability. Made in the USA with strict quality standards, this product supports local production and responsible farming practices. It's a testament to Elm Dirt's dedication to both plant health and environmental responsibility. Choosing Elm Dirt isn't just about gardening, it's about making a conscious choice for a greener planet. In conclusion, Elm Dirt 100% Plant Juice and Worm Castings Organic Fertilizer lives up to its reputation as the best organic dirt on the market. With its nutrient-rich formula, easy application, and commitment to sustainability, it's a must-have for any plant enthusiast. That wraps up our review. If you've tried Elm Dirt or have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and gardening tips. Thanks for watching Product Critique.